Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your free trial for the Pokémon TCG Premium Pass. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the settings on your mobile device and tap on your name at the top. Here look for subscription option. Once found, tap on it. On this page, you will see all of your active subscriptions. As I don't have Pokémon TCG Premium subscription, but I will show you the process through the screenshots. So, once click on Active Subscription, you will be on this page. Here, tap on Pokémon TCG app, and as you can see, you can cancel the free trial. Once you cancel it, you want to press Confirm. And there we go. The subscription has now been canceled. And don't worry, you'll still have the benefits until the set date of expiration, so you'll still be able to claim your rewards. You'll still be able to get the exclusive missions. So that's basically how you can cancel your free trial for the Pokémon TCG Premium Pass. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.